Day 3 of the Har Ki Dun trek. So we were trekking from Gangad and we were supposed to camp at Kalkatiyadhar. But once we reached Kalkatiyadhar, we could see all these beautiful white flowers all over Kalkatiyadhar. So these are the Himalayan Knotweed flowers, and these usually blossom in the autumn season. That's from August to September, and they usually die out in the winter season. They stand tall about 1.5 meters, and this, I must tell you, was a wonderful sight. And because Kalkatiyadhar was full of these white flowers, we then stayed at Boslo. So we trekked from Kalkatiyadhar to Boslo, and that's where we camped.